First, parts of North Georgia are under a winter storm warning. People waking up in frigid temperatures this morning. Our 11 Alive storm tracker showing us some sleet in the Ackworth area. Andrew Wilson, meteorologist Andrew Wilson, has been tracking it all night. Andrew, I thought I even heard a little sleet when I walked out the door this morning. It's getting really cold.
Yeah, very chilly conditions all moving in, and some really strong winds that are bringing in that colder air mass. We saw a little bit of snow for far northwest Georgia. Thankfully, nothing severe. Remember, we also had that severe potential last night, but a lot of those stronger storms stayed well down towards our south. Right now, we're looking out towards Georgia's Rome, and we did have a little bit of snow up there as well into Floyd County. You see a little bit of snow down here on the median when we're looking down towards Main Street, but you see it didn't amount to much. The roads looking pretty clear out there as far as the snow is concerned, but it is very damp. And also with those cold conditions, there may be a little bit of ice in spots, mainly on some of those bridges, so look out for that. You see how strong the winds are up there towards Rome. Right now, north wind at 16 miles per hour. It is 32 degrees, so right at the freezing point there. And you see that's one of the counties, and again, one of the areas that we do have the winter storm warning in place until 1 p.m. We also have a winter weather advisory in place for those counties shaded in purple there until 1 p.m. where we may still have a few flurries, but honestly, the snow has come to an end. From west to east, we saw the snow just kind of end over these last few hours. You still see that some of our neighbors there in South Georgia are dealing with some strong storms, but a closer look here into North Georgia, we just have a few flurries left over, and off towards our northwest, you still see a little bit of that snow closer on towards Columbia and up into Nashville. Well, that's going to continue to fade away as it gets closer towards us, so not going to have any further impacts from that, but we do have a little bit of snow that's on the ground, and please know that if any of that does melt and refreeze, we may deal with a little bit of ice on the roadways. You saw where some of those temperatures are already sitting at the freezing mark. Marietta, Canton, Blairsville just below freezing, Dalton and Rome both sitting at the freezing point and just below freezing for our friends in Carrollton. The winds have been another big issue. We have had gusts all the way up to even 49 miles per hour in Atlanta earlier on this morning. Right now we have a gust about 35, 38 in Peachtree City. And those gusts stay pretty strong this afternoon. Wind advisory is in place for all of us until 7 p.m. Sustained winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. We're going to be talking more about when these winds will calm down and when we'll warm back up coming up.
All right, let's take a live look at our Thunder Truck cam right now. Several people are without power this morning, so our Thunder Truck is out to take a look at what we're hearing. We're hearing that several people in South Atlanta are seeing downed trees from some of this weather overnight. So you can see the Thunder Truck looks like they're on the downtown connector. Plenty of lights there, but whatever they find, we'll let you know. The weather may be starting to die down, but thousands in Georgia are without power right now. Here's a look of the EMC outage page, which shows more than 20,000 customers are currently without power, and Georgia Power reporting about the same number of outages here in the metro alone. This morning, the city of Atlanta will open 2 emergency warming centers. They're located at the old Adamsville Recreation Center and the Central Park Recreation Center. Doors open in an hour. They'll open at 7 a.m. and they'll stay open through Sunday morning. Make sure you stay weather aware this weekend. You can do all of that with the 11 Alive app. Bring the radar with you wherever you go and get severe weather alerts. It's available for free in the App Store right now.